Hi, my name is Isabel. I'm a student at UBC as well as a student ambassador for Cengage. My experience with MindTap made me want to become a student ambassador because I genuinely believe that MindTap helped me be successful in my course, and I want other students to be able to get the most of it. So first, MindTap really stood out to me because unlike other textbooks, I noticed that MindTap offered a wide range of resources, from videos to real-world context to test banks providing endless practice for students. I had everything I needed to succeed in the class. When using other textbooks, I found that I had to refer to YouTube or other websites, which is something that was really time consuming. However, this is not something I needed when using MindTap, as everything I needed I found on MindTap. In addition to the traditional textbook, MindTap also supplies endless of practice questions per chapter. And what I love about this feature is that students could choose what topic or subtopic they want to study, and focus on mastering it. And then they could also control how many questions are asked. So I found this ideal when studying for exams, or when refreshing for a certain subtopic that I hadn't really understood very well. So when I took these exams, I usually did them under testing condition, and it really gave me an idea of how I was doing in the class, which was really helpful for me so that I can know what I had to improve on and what I already knew leading up to the exam. Before MindTap, I would have to spend valuable time searching up quizzes online, and these quizzes usually were not exactly what I had learned in class, whereas MindTap followed exactly what topics I learned in class. Also, when using MindTap, I found their e-textbook features to be extremely helpful. They have a lot of interactive tools with built-in quizzes and graphs. In fact, they have some graphs where they show you how they've made the graphs, and they also give you the opportunity to make the graph alongside them, which is very helpful because graphs are obviously very important in economics and for economic theory. And if you don't understand the graph, it's very hard for you to actually understand the topic. I found these really helpful because I'm actually a visual learner. Usually, when I had the traditional textbook, I would have to supplement my learning on YouTube, or I would be one of those students that would have to put in a lot of extra time trying to find out what was going on. But I found that with MindTap, since they had everything there, it really felt like they were really focused on helping you become the best student that you could be and helping you succeed in the class. Using MindTap was incredibly helpful for me, as not only did I gain access to a lot of different resources, but I generally found the content to be really efficient and succinct. And as a Cengage student ambassador and a student in general, I genuinely wanted to share how valuable these tools were for me so that other students could also benefit in the same way I could.